This first video is on using OneDrive, and it will use Office 365, and it will also be a storage place for you. If you are a staff member, I would encourage you to download OneDrive. If you go to onedrive.live.com, be sure you pick OneDrive for Business and download it. And what will happen is you will now see OneDrive over here as one of your favorites. If it is over here, you will be able to drag and drop folders. Okay, these are all folders that I have in my OneDrive. And you notice there's a little green check mark. That means they are synchronized. They're on my computer as well as in the cloud, so I can work on them anywhere. Okay, so that's the first tab to show you how to download. Next is to sign in. And I'm going to go, there's two different ways we can do it. On the Garretson website, if you go to the Teacher Resources and you go to Office 365 K-12, that will launch this login. Okay, put in your K-12. You will get redirected. You'll get asked to confirm it. You do have to put it in quite often, it seems like. But this is actually your OneDrive location. So this is my website look of it. Okay, and there's all my same folders. And this is what I'm seeing on my computer because I have this installed. Okay, and synchronizing is very important. When you do it just online, it's very easy. You can pick upload to upload a document. Okay, and it can upload up to 100 at a time. You can drag them in, but it will not do folders. You would need to make a folder and then drag it in. If you use the installing it, you can drag a folder over. Unlimited storage from the state of South Dakota. And if we happen to have a problem where your account gets compromised, they will help us try to get back copies of it. So this is the safest option, I feel, for you when you're working on the Windows platform. Okay, what we're seeing is my Office 365, my OneDrive. If I click on this little ellipsis looking square over here, I have choices. I can go to my OneDrive, I can go to Word Online, and I want to go to Word Online so you can see how that works. It is not a full-blown version of Word. Okay, I'm just going to pick a blank document and we'll go here and we will create a new one. Okay, a Word document. And it may be a Word document. Notice I am working online. It's automatically syncing. It's also available for my iPad. Okay, I'm going to try to change to my iPad right now so you can see that. It's taking me just a minute. While that's loading, I'm going to type something here. Okay. I can also share this document. Okay, I could share this with someone in the K-12 data system. I could share this with Bob, anybody I want to, with my students. I could require a sign-on. I could send an email invitation to them telling them I have shared this document. I pick share. And we're just about there with my nearing. Okay, you're now seeing my iPad. I'm going to go to Word. Okay, and there's my document right there. It's connecting. It's downloading the one I just created over here. And it says to modify, I need to pick edit. So I pick edit. Okay, and now I'm saying this is from iPad. Okay. we're going to go back here. Before we do that, I just want to show you while I'm still here how nice this is. I can log on with several accounts. I have my OneDrive for the state of South Dakota. I have my Southeast Tech. I have my personal Hotmail. So I can get to any of these drives from my iPad, from my computer. Okay, I'm going to release this so we can see it now. So I need to go back to the iPad. Okay, and now it should prompt me to synchronize. Let's see if I can store that. I'm going to dismiss that. And let's look for recent files. There it was. And you can notice I have put in now the stuff from the iPad, so it works both ways. You know, when I click on my document for editing, I can pick to edit it online. It makes the changes quickly, like I just showed you. I can also edit it in Word, but I need a copy of Word on my computer to do that. And then I have all of the functions that the full-blown Word has. But it's really nice to be able to quickly do something, and I hope you will like using OneDrive. I like all of the cloud computing, but I'd say probably OneDrive is, if you're a solid Windows user and you're using Office a lot, this might be your #1 option. Good luck.